Hi viewers, welcome to our lesson number 16 in our series of lectures on genetic resources and conservation. In the previous lectures, we started the topic of biodiversity, and in previous lectures, we see what the biodiversity is, what are the types of biodiversity, and how we can measure biodiversity at different scales. Today, we will be talking about the gene pool, and first of all, we will see what the gene pool is. Gene pool is basically the collection of all the genes and all the alternative forms of a gene that are present in a population or in a particular species. So if we say talk about the alleles, which is known as the alternative form of a gene, each individual contain two alleles. One comes from father and one comes from mother. So if we see this picture, this is a population of pigs, and these letters they represent the each allele. So the capital B is representing one allele and the small b is representing another allele. So each individual of this pig population is contributing some alleles to this gene pool. So in the gene pool, we do not talk about the frequency of the alleles that is present in a population or in a particular species or in individuals that are living in some specific geographical area. But in the gene pool, we only talk about either that allele is present or not. The gene pool can change over time with the evolution and according to the needs of those species. So if we talk about the climatic change, as we all know that the climate is changing and the temperature is increasing every year. So in the previous years, the temperature was less, but now the species or the individuals of species, they need to get the variations in their genetic material or in their DNA, which can make them more adaptable to this increasing temperature. So as the temperature will keep on increasing, the species they will make themselves more adaptable to this changing environment. So only those variants that make the individuals more adaptable to this environmental changes will be sustained or will stay in the population, or the changes or the other variants or other alleles which do not make the individuals adaptable to this changing environment or increasing temperature, they will just be removed from the population with the time. So the gene pool can change over time due to the evolution or due to the needs of the population specific environment. So the gene pool is, so in a summary, the gene pool is basically the collection of all the genes and all the alternative forms of a gene that are present in some specific population or in the species that are living on some a specific geographical area. In the next lectures, for watching my next videos, please subscribe to my channel, that is MH Biology, and keep watching my videos. Up till then, goodbye.